straight on the plane. We were flying to the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again, walking in the street.
What's up YouTube, Jerry Land here with Nova Tech. Today I am checking out the iPhone 12 Pro in the new Pacific Blue colorway. You've seen the black iPhones, the white ones, even the product red ones. We've all seen the gold ones. We want to see the new Pacific Blue, and yes, it's different from the iPhone 12 Blue, and I'd love to show you the difference. I think I'm going to make a full video comparing them at detail, showing you the two different colors, and plus the iPhone XR in blue to show you guys which one you guys should pick up. What's the best blue iPhone of the year? Stick around, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification button so you can find out when that video comes out, which probably should be tomorrow. Let's go. I think I just hit my lens. Let's try that again. Let's go. Did I just throw a $1,000 phone at my camera lens, which is also really expensive? The things you do for YouTube. Oh, guys, that felt so good. I have a love-hate relationship with Apple packaging because you just love how convenient that is, but I love unboxing things and unboxing knives. This is a buttery knife, so nice, and I found it on Amazon for only 25 bucks. Not sponsored. Go check it out. Links in the description below. Oh, I love me some unboxing knives. Back to the unboxing. Oh, look at this case, guys. This is the brand new iPhone 12 Pro black box. Look, first off, let me close this thing back up. Look how skinny this box is. I love this. This is how their boxes always should have been. And yes, Pacific Blue gets a nice blue icon on the front. Oh, I like it. Okay, this is an unboxing and first impressions, and I'm just like, my silence is excitement, because if you haven't seen my last video where I unboxed the iPhone 12 in the blue and the green colorway, the main complaint about the blue that I had in the iPhone 12 was that it wasn't navy blue enough. The chamfered edges on that iPhone 12 blue were perfect, but the blue on the back was just too light, and this is the blue I wanted. Guys, this is the blue that I wanted. Oh, I will say right off the bat though, fingerprint magnet like no other for the stainless steel chamfered edge around the side. I do not like this shiny iPhone 12 Pro edge. I actually prefer the matte finish of the other one. Let's go ahead and get this guy off. Ooh, let's give you that. Ooh, that was clean. This is also kind of weird for that new unboxing experience, this white plastic thing covering your phone screen. What happened to the nice clear screen protectors? This is everything I was hoping the blue would be on the iPhone 12, which I, like I said, unboxed first, and guys, it looks good. Hit that like button if you want to see that video. Ooh, one complaint about this year's phone, there's probably more, but my main complaint is that it's not USB-C. I honestly feel like the shiny edges makes this phone look a little bit tacky. Of course, I love the triple camera setup on the Pros. That's why I'm stressing the heck out, because I think this year I want to go for a 12 Pro Max or a 12 mini. I love the size of the 12 mini, but I love the features of the 12 Pro Max. Drop a comment below. Let me know which one you guys are planning on going for or wanting to go for, or which one you guys actually picked up. This is the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. If you're debating between the Pro and the 12, I say go for this. This starts at $999 for 128 gigabytes, and the 128 gigabyte version of the iPhone 12 is basically $899. I think it's like $869. I do not think that phone is worth it at 128 gigabytes. Go for this guy. Now, in the box, this year, we get a USB-C to Lightning cable, and, of course, some paperwork, SIM ejector, and one Apple sticker this year. And that is literally it. Because this year, there is no charger. If you haven't heard, the charging brick is opted out. That's why this guy is so thin. But have no fear. Guys, not sponsored video. I wish it was. But I found this awesome Anker charger. This is a USB-C charger, 20 watts compared to Apple's normal 5-watt charger. And look at it. It is the exact same size. You need to pick this up. Links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. To the next one and beyond.